Got my heavy gloves and my love you. Grip it and rip it, as we used to say. Skipping class to go play golf. So I hear say there's a lot of kind of like woodland bird species that need brush piles. Got you, birds. Hey, the plow truck. Yay, there's your real American hero right there. This is some good ass firewood. It's a cedar tree, so it'll smell delicious. Breaking out the big guns.
Temu did pretty good.
Oh, hell yeah, man. That thing's awesome.